How to solve Monopoly Go no internet connection. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can solve Monopoly Go no internet connection. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Play Store app on your mobile and search for Monopoly Go app. Then make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, the next thing that you want to do is go to settings of Monopoly Go app by tapping and holding the app. Then tap on this icon. After that, tap on storage and then tap on clear data. Then clear cache. After that, open up the Monopoly Go and your issue of no internet connection will be solved. So that's how you can Monopoly Go no internet connection. That's all for this video.